Jeff Bezos admits being jealous that NASA protects SpaceX and Elon Musk. Hello and welcome to TechLux Insider. We're back with another interesting video as usual on our channel. As you all know, our channel brings new, fresh, and attentive content. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and NASA. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, the two richest individuals on this planet, each wish to be in the middle stage when NASA returns astronauts to the moon. However, NASA solely has sufficient money for one among them, and it went with Musk's SpaceX, which means Bezos' Blue Origin is mad. The companies gave NASA two wildly totally different proposals for getting boots on the moon. SpaceX plans to make use of Starship, a gargantuan rocket and spacecraft system presently in improvement that Musk's hopes will go on to colonize Mars at some point. And Blue Origin gave an extra simple plan to develop a lunar lander very similar to those used for the mid-20th century NASA Apollo missions, which keep the one missions which have ever put individuals on the moon. The present drama was kicked off when Congress allotted NASA about $2 billion lower than it requested, and the home firm chosen to associate with only one contractor for its human landing system, HLS, not lower than for the first moon landing the corporate has deliberate. Blue Origin has been stopping that decision ever since, making a public and generally petty battle between the two companies. The controversy. Over the past 15 years, two of the world's most high-profile CEOs, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, have been engaged in a simmering rivalry. The two execs have sparred over their respective area ambitions. Musk runs SpaceX, whereas Bezos owns Blue Origin, but it surely absolutely has not stopped there. Musk has labeled Bezos as a copycat over Amazon Satellite TV for PC television for laptop plans and criticized the company's enterprise practices. In return, every Amazon and Blue Origin have filed formal protests and lawsuits about the factors that concern SpaceX. When it bought Right Here time to bid for the NASA contract, Dynetics put up a $9 million provider and Blue Origin gave a $6 million bid, every one of which has been stable aside in favor of SpaceX's $3 million provide. And citing money constraints, NASA launched plans to go straight forward with SpaceX as its sole HLS affiliate. Nonetheless, Blue Origin immediately shot once more by submitting a protest with the authority's Accountability Office, Congress's watchdog and auditing group, arguing that NASA should have revamped the contracting rivals after it grew to develop into clear that it didn't have enough money to fund a variety of contracts, and the protest alleged NASA gave unfair leeway and, in all probability, preferential remedy to SpaceX. Blue Origin sues U.S. government over NASA's decision. Blue Origin filed a federal lawsuit Friday to downside a NASA moon landing contract awarded solely to rival agency SpaceX, upping the ante in an already tense standoff over the multi-billion-dollar lunar lander program. Particulars of the lawsuit are usually not publicly accessible as a result of the paperwork being under seal. Nevertheless, Blue Origin claims it is an attempt to remedy the problems throughout the acquisition course of current in NASA's Human Landing System, the company talked about in an announcement. Human Landing System, or HLS, is the formal title of this method that's on the coronary heart of this approved battle, and it seeks to utilize private sector contracting to develop, assemble, and test the automobile, which will put astronauts on the moon for the first time in a half-century. We firmly believe that the issues identified in this procurement and its outcomes must be addressed to restore fairness, create competition, and ensure a safe return to the moon for America, Blue Origin said in a statement. A press release from NASA dispatched to reporters Monday night stated the company was notified of the claims Blue Origin made in court docket and is presently reviewing particulars of the case. A choice granted Blue Origin's request to maintain the court docket grievance below seal, which argued that making the data public might expose proprietary info, commerce secrets and techniques, confidential monetary info, and trigger extreme aggressive hurt in response to court docket paperwork filed with the U.S. Court Docket of Federal Claims. The current book, Amazon Unbound by Brad Stone, particulars Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' meteoric rise to energy and enterprise triumph. Nevertheless, it additionally features a pudding level of vulnerability. Bezos is reportedly deeply jealous of Elon Musk's success with SpaceX. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin has as soon as once more criticized NASA's determination to award the astronaut lunar lander contract to Elon Musk's SpaceX. It has identified technical particulars which it claims could possibly be dangerous for the moon missions. Blue Origin printed an infographic on its site the place it took a swing at Elon Musk's Starship, saying that SpaceX using the Starship to maneuver NASA astronauts to the ground of the moon is immensely superior and high risk. There are an unprecedented variety of applied sciences, developments, and operations which by no means been achieved earlier than for Starship to land on the moon, says the infographic on Blue Origin's website. This consists of growing tremendous heavy, not solely the most important launch car stage ever produced, however one which needs to be reusable in Starship, the primary ever reusable second stage. Then the two methods should work collectively. A launch website in Boca Chica, Texas that has by no means carried out an orbital launch should reveal the power to take action 7-11 occasions inside 1 week increments. Continued the infographic, laying stress on the number of the testing that wanted to be executed and the change within the approaches to be completely positive of the success of the mission. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, do watch the 2 videos on your screen as I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.